Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create your logo using Canva. So basically Canva is a platform that allows you to create designs, like a lot of designs and artwork using it. You can even create posts and logos and etc. So first of all, what I need you to do, guys, is go ahead and open your browsers, whatever it is, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, etc. And then go and analyze Canva. So after you do that, you click on here and then you wait somewhere in here and then you have to connect your account. So let's go back and sign out in order to show you how to connect your account. So you can just sign up from here or log in. So for me, I will just continue with my Google account, just like so. And here I am. Now, in order to create my account or my logo, what am I supposed to do? Basically, I go here, create a design. Here you choose logo, and that's it. So now after you pick this platform, they will give you some suggestions that you can use. For example, this one, you can use it, you can use this font, you can edit it, you can even add more pictures, and yeah, there is a bunch of options that you can do. So let's search, for example, let's see if we can find something like pets. So for example, here it is, some pet logo. You can, for example, make the name here cats and dogs, and here it is, the logo here written for us. You can move this a little bit if you want, so you can duplicate it, you can animate it as well, so to make it look animated, drift, web, and etc. Yeah, this is how you can do it. And after that, after you finish with it, you can just go here, download, and download it as a PNG picture, and it will be downloaded as a logo, and you can use it for your project and everything. So yeah guys, that's how you can create a logo using Canva. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.